In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view page analytics and viewer activity in Confluence. If you've ever wondered how much attention a Confluence page is getting or who's been reading it, the built-in analytics can give you quick, actionable insights. Let's walk through the process clearly and make sure you know what to look for along the way. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to check. Analytics are page specific, so you'll want to be on the exact page whose performance or readership you're interested in. Make sure you have the right permissions for that page, since access can affect what data you're allowed to see. Next, look for the Analytics, Insights, or Views option. Depending on your Confluence plan and interface, this might appear as an Analytics button near the top of the page, an Insights badge, or a Views entry under a More Options menu. The label can vary, but they all lead to the same place. Clicking that option opens the Page Statistics panel. This typically appears as a side panel or a modal overlay. Give it a moment to load. Once it does, you'll see a snapshot of how the page is performing. Now review the details that are available. You'll often see overall views, which count every time the page was loaded, and unique viewers, which reflect distinct people who visited. Some versions also show activity trends over time, so you can spot spikes around announcements or updates. If a particular metric isn't visible, it may be limited by your plan or by your permissions on that page. If you want to focus on a specific time period, change the date range. Use the picker to switch between recent windows like the last week or month, or set a custom range to capture a before and after view around a big edit. As you adjust the range, the stats will refresh to reflect your selection, making it easier to analyze engagement for the time frame that matters. You can also check which users viewed the page depending on your plan and permissions. Some setups show a list of viewers and their last viewed times, helping you confirm whether key stakeholders have seen the content. Other setups provide only aggregate numbers to protect privacy. What you see here will reflect your organization's policies. When you're done, close the analytics panel to return to the page. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly gauge reach, identify trends, and confirm whether your content is landing with the right audience.